So let's look at a DEX where every trade doesn't just vanish into a black hole of platform fees. Instead, part of those fees goes straight to the people building the project you're trading, and another slice buys and burns the Hello token, so the supply gets tighter over time. That's the core idea behind Hello DEX. Trades fund builders and activity helps holders. It's permissionless, so anyone can spin up a pool, and apparently it's CertiK audited, which is the kind of box I like to see ticked when I'm poking around new on-chain tools. Hi, my name is Rick Richardson, and in this video I'll tell you everything there is to know about the Hello DEX and show you how it works. Now let me make the mechanics feel real. Hello DEX is built on a concentrated liquidity model, which is kinda like Uniswap version 3 vibes. Liquidity providers choose price ranges where their liquidity is active, so capital can work where the action actually is. When you create a pool, you pick a fee tier somewhere in a band from very low to higher, and that choice determines how the fee pie gets sliced on every swap. Now up to 87.5% of a trade's fee can flow back to the liquidity side and the person who created the pair. Now the protocol takes the rest and routes it to things like the Hello Buy and Burn and rewards programs. Now that's the engine room that powers the "Every Trade Fuels Growth" tagline you'll see attached to Hello DEX. And if you're a founder, this really flips your day to day. In the usual DEX world, you fight for volume and get nearly nothing from it unless you spin up extra tokens or side deals. Now here, a chunk of the fee on your pair rolls back to you. And the briefing example is simple. If your token does 100 grand of volume a day and you set a 1% fee, you're looking at around 15 grand a month in real revenue, paid by the trading your community is already doing. And that can cover devs, marketing, listings, the whole grind without running back to raise or mint more paper. Traders don't get left out either. Their fees aren't just disappearing because part of the protocol cut buys Hello and burns it, and part funds monthly rewards that go to members of Hello Club. Now Club is like Hello's membership layer. You lock Hello for a short window and you get a tier. Now each tier has a multiplier that boosts your share of the monthly rewards pool. And there's even an auto compound switch so the system can roll rewards back into your position if you want to grow your bite without babysitting it. Now if your lock expires, rewards pause until you renew, which keeps the whole thing very honest. Now let's zoom out and talk Hello Labs as a brand, because the DEX doesn't live in a vacuum. I did make a dedicated video on it, which you can find up here, but for the sake of the background I'll tell you a bit about it here. Now, Hello grew up at the intersection of crypto and entertainment. Now, if you've seen the TV show Killer Whales, which are basically founders pitching to heavyweight crypto judges, that's made by Hello Labs. Now the distribution is the part that made me look at this project. Apple TV, Amazon Prime, Google Play, they claim reach in the hundreds of millions, and it means new token launches don't just get a ticker. They can get storylines and screen time, and in crypto, attention is half the battle, and Hello has a media arm that's built to pump oxygen into the projects circling their ecosystem. Now Hello Club sits in the middle as the glue. Lock your Hello, pick your tier, and you get multipliers on rewards, plus first dibs on launchpad deals, quests, prediction markets, and a social trading thing they call Invest with the Whales. Now, it's on-chain copy trading with budgets and pause controls tied into the same pools you're already using on Hello DEX. I like that the club rewards aren't just from staking. Revenue from across Hello products flow into the monthly pool, so when the DEX is busy or prediction markets are lively, the pool that pays club members is getting topped up from real activity. Now before we stitch this all together, please remember that I'm not a registered financial advisor and that my videos are always meant to be educational and entertaining only. Make sure to do your own research and to only invest money you're willing to lose. Now also know that this video is sponsored by the Hello Labs team, but all opinions and statements are my own. Now also make sure to follow mine and their socials to stay up to date on the latest developments in regards to their project and the DEX, and let's move on. Right, so let me stitch the two halves together so you can see the loop, right? Now a founder lists on Hello DEX. He picks the fee tier and starts earning a share of every swap. The protocol slice from those swaps fuels Hello burns and sends money to club rewards. Now meanwhile, Hello's media channels and partnerships drive eyeballs to the project. Clips, streams, X spaces, the whole funnel can kick up volume, which creates more fees. The traders who want extra exposure log Hello, bump their tier and get a fatter cut of the monthly pool. Now some of them co-trade alongside the bigger wallets that Hello features. And that extra activity tightens the Hello supply and keeps rewards flowing, which is why Hello calls it a flywheel. Now, it's not just marketing talk alone, because you can trace the paths of fees on-chain through the system. Now here's a couple of practical bits that always come up when I'm explaining this to others, right? First, fee tiers matter. Lower fees can help pull in more volume, and higher fees might fit a smaller diehard community. Now founders should think about where their traders sit and choose a tier that fits the vibe, and then adjust as the market settles. Now second, concentrated liquidity isn't set and forget. LPs are picking price ranges, which means you want to understand how range orders work and what happens when price moves outside your band. Start small while you learn. And third, check which chains are live in the app before you ape in. Networks can roll out in stages, so pop the app open and confirm what's active when you use it. Now if you want to explain it like I'm 12 version, here it is. Now Hello builds culture and attention with shows, streams and a lot of content. Now that audience spills into their club where people lock the token and get perks and a share of the monthly pot. Now the trading front end is Hello Trade and sits on top of Hello DEX, where swaps happen in pools you or any other founder can create. Now every swap throws off a fee. Most of that fee goes back to the liquidity side in the pool creator, and the protocol takes a slice that buys and burns Hello and feeds the club rewards pool. Now media brings users, users bring volume, and volume pays founders and burns Hello, and club members share in the pot. Rinse and repeat. Now if you're thinking about where to start, here's what I would do as a normal user, right? I'd open club, skim the tiers and decide if I want to log some Hello for the month to get into the rewards pool with auto compound if I'm trying to climb. And then I try a small swap on Hello Trade to feel the flow, check which fee tier the pool uses and peek at the project's page to see if it's doing any club quests or has prediction markets running. Now if a founder I follow is launching, I'd watch how their fee tier choice nudges behavior. And of course, I'd keep in mind that this is crypto because I need to learn the risks. You don't need to overextend and treat all of this as tools and not a promise. And that's the whole picture. Hello Labs brings the audience and the community layer. Hello DEX and Trade turn that energy into on-chain activity where traders fund builders and tighten the token. Now to wrap this video up, let's have a look at the DEX itself, and for that I've got two videos made by the team itself explaining you how it works. Let's have a look.
Welcome to Hello Trade. Over here you can swap, add liquidity pools, and access your pools. For this tutorial, we're going to show you guys how you can swap your tokens. You can choose between the chains that are available, BSC, Ethereum, or Base. For this tutorial, we're going to use BSC. If you hit select the token, you will find all the token swaps available. For this tutorial, we're going to use BNB as the first trading pair, and Hello for the one that we're swapping between. Enter the amount you'd like to swap, and on the left side, you'll be able to find more information about the trading pair, as well as the chart and transactions. Hit swap whenever you're ready. A transaction will open up once you review the gas. Hit confirm once you're ready, and in an instant, your tokens have been swapped. Welcome to Hello Trade. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create a liquidity pool. Hit add liquidity, and you can access the different chains that are available for you. There's BSC, Ethereum, or Base, and for this video, we're going to use BSC. Step 1 is to select a token pair and set your fee rate. We're going to use BNB as the first token, and Hello. Click the More section, and you'll be able to see the different fee rates available. 0.01% for highly competitive pairs, 0.05% for stables and blue chip pairs, and so on. For meme coins and other pairs, you can go for 2.5% and set a high profitability rate, and these are usually less competitive. For this LP, we're going to use 1%. Once you're ready, hit continue. Step 2 is to set a price range. So you can set a minimum price range and a maximum price range for BNB per Hello. We're going to choose 50% and hit continue. The last step is to deposit the token amounts for the liquidity contribution. We're going to enter 0.11 BNB, or approximately 10,000 Hello. Press approve once ready. Confirm the spending cap request, and in an instant, your transaction is submitted and your liquidity pool has been created. You can access your liquidity pool in the My Pools section.
Now that wraps this video up. Let us know down below what you think about this. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!